Hi guys, so today is going to be another OG craft video and it's just going to be a really simple craft haul. I've had this stuff, I'll be honest, lying around for ages and I've been meaning to just do a video on it because I'm really excited about the stuff, but I'll be honest, it's been like months since I bought some of this stuff, so I'm not sure how much of it you'll be able to find, but there are things that are recent or that are still in stock that I know for a fact. So hopefully guys you still enjoy this, and if you want to buy anything you can. But yeah, I just wanted to do this quick fun little video for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you like these videos and you want to see more of them, because I don't really know what people want to see anymore. It's all gotten a bit crazy. So yeah, anyway, let me just get started. So the first things I'm going to start with are just like bog standard craft things. They might not be that exciting, but I thought I'd show you anyway because I got them recently. So first is this pot of glitter. I find glitter shopping just the most impossible thing ever. It's impossible to find good glitter in stores, and like shopping for fine glitter online, I just find it so hard, and I just cannot seem to find like this type of glitter but like fine. Everyone seems to be using it online and like all the gorgeous resin crafters, and I don't know why I have such trouble shopping for glitter. But anyway, I saw this, it was in a Polymer store, and it's just like that hexagonal iridescent blue pink thing, so I thought I'd pick it up. They did a bigger one as well, so I am getting back into resin, so maybe I'll pick that up if I get through this, but I think this is pretty big, so yeah, and it was like $2.95, which isn't too bad. So yeah, I got this glitter. It is by Creation Station from Art Straw, if you guys want to find it here in the UK, or it might be an international company, I do not know, and it's iridescent. It's just called iridescent, this one. So I got those. So the next thing I got is acrylic paint. So I'm actually working on a couple of projects that require some paint, which has not happened in ages. So I got all of my paints out, only to realise they're literally 10 years old, and all of them are like off and separated, and I was like, dang. So I went and bought some more, and these are just the System 3 acrylics. I got this specifically for a project. I probably not or wouldn't have bought like just the yellow, but I might go out and get like the black and the pink as well, just because that's super helpful to have, and then I will just know that I have them in stock when I need them for a project. But you'll see what I'm working on that I'm going to use these paints for in an upcoming charm update, craft update. So yeah, got those as well. And then lastly, just for the boring standard stuff, I got a block of Hema. This is the colour tangerine or mandarin, that's funny. So it's just the orange. When did I need it orange? What video was it? Oh, it was the last video I uploaded. It was like the craft of me. You can see it up here. Yeah, I had to mix an orange to then mix into a colour, which was just a pain in the butt, and I didn't realise I didn't have an orange. So I have stocked up the orange. So yeah, I'm glad that I'm not going to be caught unawares then. So these are the things I got like ages ago, so I'll try and link them if I can find them, if they're on the website still, if they're even sold on the website. But yeah, I went into the Works, which is kind of like a cheap, is it like a cheap discount kind of store here in the UK? But they have a massive craft section, which is a lot of just like, you know, stuff from China. So it's like rhinestones and cabochons, lots of like wooden pieces, wooden box, that kind of thing. But every now and again they have some gems, and I found this and I was like so excited for it. So this is, they call it a tool-in-one, and they say it's the instructions on the back and all of the details are actually if you're using like paper crafts and you're using like die cutters, machines and that kind of thing, which I'm sure would be super helpful for, but obviously I'm not going to use it for that. So it's basically this little tool, which I probably won't be using this unless I want some texture, but this is basically what drew me to it, this little roller thing. I thought, first world problems, I wouldn't have to lug my roller out, which is like this big. I could literally just grab this tool and roll something out really quick. Obviously it's not going to be the most even probably, but I was like, that's such a good idea. First world problems, I don't want to have to reach over and grab my rolling pin from my drawer, like, oh. So that's why I got this. It also comes with a bunch of different like tips that you can put in here. So this spatula is probably going to be super useful, and then it's actually just a bunch of like ball tools, which obviously I use a lot, and I've literally lost my favourite ball tool, and I'm kind of lost without it. So I'm looking forward to using this one, which is kind of what I need. So yeah, I can't believe I haven't opened this sooner, to be honest. But yeah, I am really excited about this. Hopefully I can find it online. I don't actually know whether you can buy stuff on the Works website like this, because it's one of those things, it's kind of like Primark, like it comes in and out super quickly. But if I can find it, or if I can find something similar online, I will try and link it as well. Then the next thing I bought from the works was this, which I'm really good about it now. I used to buy so many paper pads when I first started a few years ago, like when I was at uni, only to realise that, you know, I just don't, for like photos for products and stuff and these backgrounds for videos, I don't really use pattern paper because it's distracting. So I got rid of loads of it, but I saw this and I was like, oh no, I can't help myself. And it was only £1. And if you didn't know, I have a range of enamel pins that are fruits. So I've got like the original strawberry I designed, and then I've got like the Fruity Cuties, which is the lemon, the peach and the watermelon. So I just kind of couldn't help myself. And I do use like pattern paper every now and again, but I just thought this would be such a nice little accent in the background. I basically just couldn't help myself. So it is the Summer Fruits pad, and as it says, it's just a pad of fruit, but like they are such gorgeous designs. So there's this one, which is a bunch of stuff. Then you've got like citrus things, strawberries, which I love, and I obviously make a lot of like clay things that have strawberries in them as well, so I kind of really like this one as well. Sorry, the lighting's changing quite a bit. I'm using like half natural lighting. And then I love this one. This is like a lime, which I can probably turn yellow in editing for pictures if I needed to. And then there's this one, which is grapefruit, right? Then there's just this polka dot one, which I don't really like, but it could be worse. Then there's a pineapple one, which is like kind of different in style, but I really love it. It'd be really cute for like a summer themed charm or something. Then there's oranges, and is that the last one? Oh, and then this is like subtle like outline one. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's like orange polka dots, but then there's like very, very subtle outlines of different fruits and stuff. Is that the last one? No. Oh look, there is a lemon one, and then there's this lemon one, which I have actually just made a charm with lemons on it. So again, you'll see that in a craft update, but I can use this. So yeah, annoyingly, I do kind of wish it was like one of the bigger pads, but at least it's easier for storage, and it'll just be like a little like accent in the photo. So yeah, I got that, couldn't help myself, but I am at least getting better with my paper buying. So the last two things I got from the works were these, which I was so excited about these. So these are Cork stickers, they were £1. So you get these circle ones, and then you also get these, I don't even know what you call them, zigzag? They kind of look like stamps to me, and they're just literally stickers, they're on a sticker sheet. But I thought, how amazing would these look for my pins? So imagine like it's on like a bright colourful background like this, and then one of my pins is sitting on top of it. Like literally, how cute is that? So, and I can paint these, so I'm going to do like a whole series on different backgrounds, putting my pins on these different shapes, and I just think it's going to look so cute. It's kind of like different to like the cork board, like putting them on a cork board. Obviously it's just for photos, but I just thought that would be such a cute idea. So that's what I got these for, and obviously I can paint them. I don't know, I'm just really excited to get those photographed. I think that's such a cute idea. And then last but not least, I'm not really sure why I bought these because I never make magnets, but I think the hope is that when you buy something, it'll spark you into doing something. So this is just a pack of 26 craft magnets for £1, and they're quite heavy duty actually. Now I'm feeling them, they're really solid. But I just thought these small ones could go on the back of resin pieces or something like that. Again, I think I just bought these in the hope that it would spark me to start making magnets. But yeah, so there's these like larger ones, smaller ones, and then these like tape ones. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. So yeah, hopefully I'm inspired to make some magnets now. Then I went to Hema or Hema, still no idea how to say that, and I got some letter stickers, which, okay, I was good about the paper, but I still buy too many stickers for journaling because I barely journal anymore because it takes so much time. But I got pink and black. They were just such nice stickers, I couldn't resist. You know, you always need letter stickers, right? So I just got those. They were probably like £1.50 each, £2, something like that. And I just really like the font of these because a lot of like letter stickers, I just don't like the font, so I got those. And then because I've been on like a really big spree of trying to find props for shooting my pins on, I got this really cute little bag. It was super cheap. It's actually a really nice bag. I'm excited to use it. Oh wait, this is actually from Tiger. I take that back. This is from Tiger. Oh, okay, I've been confused. I'll show you this and I'll show you the bag I got from Hema. So this is actually from Tiger, sorry, and it's just a really nice like fake Saffiano leather bag, and I just wanted to take pictures of my pins on it. Yeah, I've really just been trying to buy props that are gonna make really cool images. Yeah, probably went a bit overboard, but I can obviously, I obviously always use bags, so it's not like I just bought this as a prop. So yeah, I just loved the colour and I thought it was perfect, so I got that one. And then the bag I did actually get from Hema was this one, which was sort of meant to be bought as a prop, but at the same time, this might be a bit distracting if you put like a pin on it. But it's going to come in really useful for a photo shoot, again for something I've made that I'm going to show you in my craft update that is coming, and it's just this really cute little like sprinkle bag. I think these are not available anymore because I got this one on sale, but it's just so cute. And again, I always use makeup bags, so it will not go to waste just as like a prop, but yeah, it's going to look so freaking good in a picture that's coming up and with something I've made. So that's what I got from Hema, but you can still see if it's in stock. And then last but not least, I definitely know these are still in WH Smith. I went to WH Smith while I was on this little like prop shopping haul, and I found this and I nearly died. This is a miniature backpack. It's meant to be like a pencil case for obviously little children to use, but I thought how freaking adorable to have my pins on the front and like have a hand like holding it. Oh, literally so excited. So this was $6.99, but it has like proper straps as well. So the nerdiest thing I was actually going to do with this as well was put it on my sloth plush from Pusheen. How freaking cute would that look? But yeah, I just think it is just the cutest thing ever. Again, it's meant to be used as a pencil case, and I still can obviously use it as a pencil case, but I just love the idea of like putting my pins on the front and, you know, having something in the picture that shows the scale. Otherwise it just looks like a really, like my pins are huge. I don't know, I just found this and it was so cute. And there are other designs, but they're a bit in your face, and obviously I wanted something, again, because it is a prop, you still want the product to show. So this, well, I mean, it's perfect because it's pastel and it's glittery, but the others were just a bit too much in your face, so I went for this one, and I know they definitely still have these in different patterns and stuff in WH Smith. So here is everything that I bought. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, it was just like a fun, quick little haul, throwback video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As I said, I will try and link everything, and hopefully some of it is still in stores, but I did buy this stuff so long ago. But it's finally come out to play, and I am so excited. So let me guys know if you have any ideas for any of this stuff that I could do with it, or how I could play with any of it. Drop that in the comments, and also let me know what you've bought recently. What's the most exciting like craft thing? Because I find that like you don't really buy new tools when you craft, you know, you just have the same tools all the time. So let me know if you found anything exciting or a new way of using a tool or something. That'd be really cool to know in the comments down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to watch my last video, you can click on the screen, and also there is one on the screen that YouTube thinks you might enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.